Ever found yourself staring at your Airwallex balance, wondering how to get those funds into your regular bank account? You're not alone. It's a common question for anyone using Airwallex for international payments, whether you're a freelancer getting paid by overseas clients, an e-commerce business handling global sales, or simply managing international finances. Airwallex has become a popular platform for its efficient and often cost-effective way to send and receive money across borders. You can hold multiple currencies, make international transfers, and even issue virtual cards. But at some point, you'll likely need to access those funds in your local currency, right here in Nigeria, through your familiar bank account. So, the burning question remains, can you actually transfer your Airwallex money to your bank account? The short answer is a resounding yes. Airwallex definitely allows you to transfer funds from your Airwallex balance to your bank account. However, like most financial platforms, there are a few important details you need to understand to ensure a smooth and successful transfer. First, let's talk about the process. Typically, you'll initiate a withdrawal from within your Airwallex account, either through their website or their mobile app. You'll need to navigate to the Withdraw or Send section. From there, you'll usually be prompted to add your bank account details if you haven't already done so. This will involve providing information like your bank name, account number, and potentially other details like the SWIFT/BIC code for international transfers. Make absolutely sure this information is accurate to avoid any delays or complications. Once your bank account is linked, you can select it as the recipient for your withdrawal. You will then enter the amount you wish to transfer and the currency you want to receive it in. Keep in mind that if the currency of your Airwallex balance differs from the currency of your bank account, Airwallex will likely handle the currency conversion. You will usually be able to see the exchange rate they are offering before you finalize the transaction. Now, let's touch upon some key considerations. One crucial aspect is the fees involved. While Airwallex often prides itself on competitive exchange rates, there might be withdrawal fees depending on the currencies involved, the destination country, and the amount you're transferring. It's always a good idea to check Airwallex's fee structure or the estimated fees displayed during the withdrawal process before you confirm. Another important factor is the processing time. Transfers aren't instantaneous. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your Nigerian bank account can vary. It might be a few business days, depending on the banks involved and the currencies being exchanged. Weekends and public holidays can also affect processing times, so plan accordingly if you need the funds urgently. Finally, be aware of any limits Airwallex might impose on withdrawals. These limits could be daily, weekly, or monthly, and they might vary depending on your account type and verification level. If you're planning a large transfer, it's wise to check if there are any withdrawal restrictions in place. Transferring your money from Airwallex to your bank account in Nigeria is definitely possible and a core function of the platform. Just remember to pay attention to the process, be aware of potential fees and processing times, and understand any withdrawal limits that might apply to your account. By keeping these points in mind, you can efficiently move your international earnings or funds into your local bank account when you need them. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.